I got a package this morning and it was wet. And I was like, what the fuck is this? And it was, turns out, from Patreon. Our team over at Patreon sent you this wonderful gift. We love what you did, you know, raising money for Turkey. And we wanted to help you out. And they sent me a motherfucking mini fridge, baby. R.I.P. to this bad boy. We got a new fridge. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time, you know? It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Okay? A new era is upon us. And it's not just the hair era. It's not just the new Hera. And a new era means a 6L mini fridge from Astro AI. I don't even know what any of this shit means, but I'll just say it like this. Will this be as good as the old one? Or will it be better than the old one? Only time will tell. But we will never forget the wonderful times we had with the Frigidaire. The Frigidaire? I don't know how to fucking say it, but we will not forget that. You said, bro, that's cheap? Bitch, what do you mean? Of course it's cheap. It's like a fucking shitty Amazon mini fridge. So, on this wonderful day, we say goodnight, my darling sweet prince, to the Frigidaire. It served me well. It served the top of the hour ad breaks and sat through them for 2 to 3 years. It's just like the Going Merry, exactly. The top of the hour ad breaks that come and go at the top of the hour every hour. And now, without further ado, we move on. We move on to a new fridge, to newer adventures with the new fridge. Look how nasty this shit was, dude. Holy fuck. It's not goodbye. It's a see you later. New one needs a handle attached? Yeah, this is kind of scary that this new one doesn't have a handle. I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna do that. Give the fridge to charity? Bro, it's broken. It's like, what do you mean? It does not work. I worked it to the fucking ground. That was a working fridge. That fridge was a working fridge, motherfucker.